Hiccups can actually kill you, and no one knows how to cure them. Most of the time they go away on their own, but when they do not stop, they can cause exhaustion and weight loss so severe that people have died from them. One man named Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 after lifting a pig, and his hiccups never stopped for 68 years straight. He hiccuped over 430 million times and tried every cure on the planet, but nothing worked, because doctors still do not fully understand why we hiccup in the first place. The best theory scientists have is that hiccups are a 370-million-year-old reflex left over from when your ancestors lived underwater. When a tadpole is growing, it has both gills and lungs at the same time, so it needs to close its throat to push water through the gills without flooding the lungs, and that motion is exactly what a hiccup is. The signal that triggers your hiccups comes from one of the oldest parts of your brain, and it still fires like you have gills, even though you have not needed them for millions of years. This is why you started hiccuping before you were even born, because fetuses hiccup in the womb as early as 10 weeks old.